We also got you an exclusive interaction with Hero MotoCorp management. That stock was actually the top gainer in Nifty 50 today. And like we mentioned, JSW Steel and Tata Steel from the metal pack were shining bright. But on the flip side, Delta Corp, after a fresh GST notice coming in, that stock was down 8% in trade and have seen no recovery from the day's lowest point. But with this, let's move on and let's connect with our experts to understand that going forward, what sort of a market action is expected and what are the levels that you need to be watching out for, any stock ideas as well. With this, let me welcome on board Mileen Vasudeo, who is a senior technical analyst at Arihant Capital Markets. Mileen, hi, very good afternoon and thank you so much for your time. Firstly, 90,700 was defended well on Nifty 50, while for the bank Nifty, it was almost flattish sort of a day. What's your take on both the indices? Are we going to build on to more gains in the upcoming sessions?
Good afternoon. First, I would like to comment on Nifty. For last 4 weeks, if you see, Nifty is trading sideways in the range of 19,300 on the lower side and 19,840 on the higher side. And if you see the daily chart is making a rounding base formation, which clearly suggests that yes, there is a hope that we could go on the higher side. But today, in the latter half of the session, we saw some kind of a profit booking over here. But still, going forward, I feel that the 50-day moving average, which is at 19,600, is a make or break level. If on a daily closing basis, if we get a close below that, then only we are likely to head to test the lower range of the band. But our view is we are taking a call that it is likely to defend the 19,600 levels, and on the higher side, once it crosses 19,850 levels with good volumes, then you could expect Nifty to go very close to the recent high or even make some higher gains.
Well, 19,600 is the make or break level. That's the word coming in from Mileen. Mileen, Lisa this side, good afternoon. So we saw Nifty was trading flat today, but there were some sector-specific actions that we saw. PSU, metals, fertilizer, they all were buzzing away in trade. So any picks from those sectors that you're seeing?
See, on the stock front today, if you see, the broad-based rally was there, and especially in the fertilizer pack, there was a lot of activity. Now, if you, I'm recommending one stock which has gone up sharply in today's trading session was GNFC. The current close is somewhere around 668. But yes, one can buy this stock with a stop loss of 640. On the higher side, yes, this stock is likely to test 730, 760 in a couple of days' time. The second stock is HCL Technology, which is currently trading at 1270 levels. Day before yesterday, the results were out, and then today we saw some subdued trading session in this counter. But one can buy at current level with a stop loss of 1240. On the higher side, it can test the levels of 1330 and 1360 in a couple of days' time.
Thank you so much for joining us today and helping with your stock-specific ideas as well as your view on index. With this, we'll let you go on that. Thanks again.